Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Let us see question number 22 of the chapter Crop Production and Management. Draw the sketch of the agricultural instrument hoe and label the shaft. So we have to draw the sketch of agricultural instrument hoe. This is hoe. Hoe is the instrument used for loosening soil. This you also used to remove weeds. Weeds ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. These having different parts like this is called grip and this is handle. It has a bent iron plate called bent plate. This acts like blade. Then this is beam and this one is rod. These are the different parts of hoe. ಇದು ಹೋದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ರಿಪ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, bent plate which is made up of iron, looks like blade, and rod and beam. This is the sketch of hoe. It has a long rod of wood or iron. ಈ ರಾಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ it may be made up of wood or may be made up of iron. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.